Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sal from God Cards here. Today we are going to be opening a Battles of Chaos, trying to get one of the Dark Magician Starlight, or just in general I'd be happy with a Dark Magician. But before we get into that, I want to thank you guys for the subs. We're at 91, 9 away from 100, where we're going to be doing a big giveaway. It's going to be sweet. Get you guys, interact with you guys, get you guys some product too. It'll be cool. Also, if you haven't gotten a chance, check out my boy Zach's video. He opened Secrets of Eternity from 2013. Little somewhat vintage, cool video. Ton of UTRs in there. You're gonna have to check and see if he pulled one. But that being said, let's get into this, guys. Battles of the Chaos. Alright guys, so before we get into this, I want to give you a nice little overview of the box. Pretty sweet art on here. So let's get into this. Let's pull that Starlight Dark Magicians. Alright, first pack. Don't know the card trick on this. We'll just have to figure it out together, you know. There is a print line on these, so let's try 3. Let's try 3. Alright, we have a Mutant, Dogmatic Macabre, the Agent of Destruction Venus, Rock Scales, Doll Monster Bear, Kaiser the Hidden Star, Branded Disciple, and a Magikuribo. Sweet card here. And a Smorg Bird of the Perfection. So it is 4. 4 to the back. This is a sweet card, though. Alright. We have Dynamorphia Diplos, Doll Happiness, Ghost Trick Festival, Smoke Mosquito, Branded Disciple, Dimension Conjurer, Rock Scales, Silvervine Senri, and an Epigonon the Impersonation Invader. And for some reason, there's a bad print line on this last card. Alright. We have a Doll Monster Miss Madchen, Flower Dino, Mad Hacker, Dynamorphia Diplos, Ghost Trick Siren, Leaf Place Plies, Dynamorphia Alert, Ghost Trick Siren, and a Nordic Beast Golem Bursty. Ooh, this pack feels heavy. Alright, we have a Ogdardic Serpent Strike, Sword Soul Strife, Dynamorphia Sonic, Ghost Trick or Treat, Ares the Vernal Dragon, Ghost Trick Siren, Clear New World, Ghost Trick Shock. Oh my goodness. Illusions of Chaos. Starlight. I think. That is insane. I'm gonna have to check if that is the Starlight. Yeah, I'm not. I don't think it's the Starlight. Yeah, that's not the Starlight. Had me scared there for a second. Hype. Still a sweet card. So there's still that print line on that last card. So there's still a chance of a Starlight in here. Alright, we have a Doll Monster Mismadchen, Groza Tyrant of the Thunder, Dynamorphia Diplos, Submarine Toride, Soul Sweeper, Skilled Brown Magician, Fire Opal Head, Darton the Mechanical Monstrosity, and a white relic of Dogmatia. Man, I really thought we had a Starlight there for a second. That's unfortunate. Got duped. Ogdoadic Serpent Strike. The bleed on some of these rares are just so deceiving. Dynamorphia Brute. Groza Tyrant of Thunder. Cymorg Bird of Perfection. Silvervine Senri. Kaiza the Hidden Star. Naru Ares the Vernal Dragon. Ice Jade Erosion. And a Dynamorphia Reversion. We have a Doll Happiness, Flower Dino, the Great Double Casted Caster, Doll Monster Mismatchen, DDD Hunter, Hunt Head, Head Hunt. Jeez, struggling here. Neroy the Dream Mirror Trader, Rock Scales, Dimension Conjurer, and a Nordic Relic, Savlin. Alright, we have a Ghost Trick Festival, S-Force Lapswell, Top Share, Smile Potion, Monster Rebirth, Ghost Trick Shot, Errata of Fate, Monster Rebirth again, and a Nordic Relic. Alright, we have a Dynamorphia Brute, Ghost Trick Festival, Tribe Drive, Smile Potion, End of the Line, Leaf Place, Anabiru Soul Sweeper, Clear New World, and a Dynamorphia Kentragina. It's a sweet looking card. Two, three, four. We have a Shining Peacephilia, Dogmatica Cabre, Flower Dino, Doll Monster Mismadchen, Espeon the Magnetic Warrior, Dimension Conjurer, Dynamorphia Shell, Dynamorphia Alert, and a Blue Eyes Tyrant Dragon. Did not know that was in the set. That's sweet. 4. Alright, we have the Agent of Destruction Venus, Submarine Toride, Dynamorphia Sonic, Mad Hacker, Maple Maiden, that's a cool card, Dynamorphia Alert, Fire Opal Head, Skilled Brown Magician, and a Libromancer Agent. And the art on these cards are sweet. Alright, a Mutant, the Great Double Casted Caster, Sword Soul Strife, Smoke Mosquito, Naru Ares the Vermal Dragon, Ghost Trick Shot, Ice Jade Erosion, DDD Headhunt, and the Dark Charmer Gloomy. We have a Submarine Toride, Shining Peacephilia, Dynamorphia Sonic, Cymorg Bird of Perfection, Ghost Trick Shot, Clean New World, Ice Shade Erosion, a Soul Sweeper, and another Magic Carbuo. Magic Karibo. Two, three, four. All right, we have a Dogmatica Cabre, Ghost Trick or Treat, S-Force Lapswell, Submarine Torride, Monster Rebirth, Fire Opalhead, Maple Maiden, DDD Headhunt, and Nordic Relic. All right, we have a Ghost Trick or Treat, Tribe Drive, Imprudent Intrusion, Tyrant of Thunder, Fire Opalhead, Maple Maiden, Rock Scales, the Dream Mirror Trader, and a Impersonation Invader. All right, a Flower Dino, Dynamorphia Sonic, Mad Hacker, Smoke Mosquito, Dynamorphia Shell, Rock Scales, Doll Monster Bear, End of the Line, and a Ice Jade Creation Kingfisher. All right, a Mutant, S-Force Lapswell, the Agent of Destruction Venus, Smoke Mosquito, Ice Jade Erosion, Skilled Brown Magician, Monster Rebirth, End of the Line, and a Dynamorphia Theresa. I believe this is the Starlight? I can't tell with the bleed from... No, it's not a Starlight. The bleed from these are crazy. Sweet card, though. Alright, we have a Dull Happiness, the Great Double Caster, Dynamorphia Brute, Shining Peacephilia, Maple Maiden, Mechanical Monstrosity, Dynamorphia Shell, Dynamorphia Alert, and an Ice Jade Cradle. We have a Sword Soul Strife, Ghost Trick or Treat, Tribe Drive, Smile Potion. Oh, dropped that one. Doll Monster Bear, Silverine Senri, Ghost Trick Shot, Skilled Brown Magician, and a White Relic of Dogmatica. Alrighty. Shining Peacephilia, Sword Soul Strife, Dynamorphia Diplos, Smorg Bird of Perfection, Ghost Trick Shot, Soul Sweeper, the Dream Mirror Trader, Maple Maiden, and the Ultimate Fusion. Like the other fusion, but just blue and white. Kind of cool. Alright, we have a Serpent Strike, Ghost Trick Festival, Mutant to Mutant, Tribe Drive, Leaf Place, Fire Opalhead, Dimension Conjurer, Rock Scales, and a Master of Chaos. Absolutely sweet card. Would love that in a Starlight. Three packs left, guys. A Submarine Tauride, Top Share, Imprudent Intrusion, Doll Happiness, the Dream Mirror Trader, Mechanical Monstrosity, Leaf Place, Fire of Fate, or Errata of Fate, and a, tough to read here, Libromancer First Appearance. Alright, 2 packs left. Come on, be in here. Be in here. Alright. Dull Happiness, Mad Hacker, Imprudent Intrusion, Dogmatic Macabre, Noru Aries the Vernal Dragon, Kaiser the Hidden Star, Ghost Trick Shot, Ghost Trick Siren, and Dynamorphia Stealthbergia. Do we have Zach's luck? Feels heavy. Come on. Alright, we have a Dogmatic Macabre, the Agent of Destruction Venus, Ghost Trick Festival, Ogdotic Serpent Strike, Dimension Conjurer, Branded Disciple, Noru Aries the Vernal Dragon, Silvervine Senri, and Alice Lady of Lamnin. So unfortunately, Zach's got all the luck. We didn't pull a Starlight, unfortunately, but hope you guys enjoyed that rip. Alright guys, so that was the rip. Super fun rip. We didn't pull a Starlight, but that's okay. Still had a blast doing it for you guys. We did pull a little $7 Masters of Chaos, these 2 secret rares. But you know, the way Yu-Gi-Oh's starting to go up, I'm telling you guys, it's about to explode here. So I feel like the prices of a lot of cards are gonna go up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did ripping that. If you did like it, please subscribe. We are really close to 100. I know I said it in the intro, but I want to do our first giveaway. It's a point in our journey that we really want to get to. So if you like the video, subscribe, get yourself in position for that free giveaway. Other than that, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.